For number 22, we are trying to dilate with a scale factor of 1.5. 1.5 is greater than 1, so this is an enlargement. If it's an enlargement, that means that my figure will be getting bigger. So I'm going to, it doesn't tell me where my center of dilation is going to be, so I'm just going to make it the origin since it didn't state otherwise. And to get from my center of dilation to I would need to go up 3, right 1. So then to get from the center of dilation to I prime, I'm going to multiply my numbers here by 1.5, which is my scale factor. If you need a calculator for that, you can do that. You can say 1.5 times 3, which will give you 4.5. Oh, there we go. So instead of going up 3, I'm going to go up 4.5. And 1 times 1.5 is 1.5. So I'm going to go right 1.5. So to get to I prime, I'll start at my center of dilation. I'll go up 4.5, 1, 2, 3, 4.5, and I'll go right 1.5, 1.5. And here is I prime, which is at 1.5, 4.5, 1.5, 4.5. Which oh, I'm sorry, that was an X, not an I. But this is the only one that matches 1.5, 4.5. We can double check it with, to get from my center of dilation to J, I'll go left 1, down 1. I'll multiply these numbers by my scale factor of 1.5. So to get from the center to J prime, 1.5 times 1 is 1.5, and 1.5 times 1 is 1.5. So starting at my center of dilation, I'll go left 1.5 and down 1.5. So this right here is J prime, which is at negative 1.5, negative 1.5, which is what we got here. Then, to get from the center of dilation to L, I'm just double checking everything. I would go up 2, right 2. So to get from the center of dilation to L prime, I'm going to multiply these numbers by my scale factor of 1.5. 1.5 times 2 is 3, and 3. So I'll go up 3, right 3, and this will be my L prime, where L prime takes place at 3, 3. So then I can do the same thing for Y, and it'll all work out.